Where did that come from? Down there. Let's take a picture. Let's take a video. Did that come from the river? Oh, it's nice. That doesn't look like that. Touch it.
Don't put your fingers in front of it. I'm serious.
Yeah, I get mad.
It'll snap too.
It's a big.
Don't touch it all. Don't agitate it.
No, don't put your fingers anywhere near it. You'd be surprised what these things can do.
I know.
If you look up snapping turtles on YouTube,
You're gonna break your finger. Yeah.
Take a video.
He's on the move.
I have a friend.
I'm going to take a video. Patience here.
Kareem has a cousin that a snapping turtle bit his belly button.
Good.
Yeah, no, don't do it. Where did we take